The real estate industry is moving through an aggressive phase of consolidation. Major players are spending billions to acquire technology platforms, local brokerages, and mortgage companies, rolling them all up into massive corporate umbrellas. Their strategy is to build an all-encompassing ecosystem. By acquiring the tools agents use and the portals buyers browse, these conglomerates are trying to capture every possible dollar that changes hands when a house is bought or sold. From the initial online search to lead generation, transaction, mortgage, title, and post-closing. The objective is to route every step through a single corporate pipeline. This closed loop intentionally keeps the consumer inside a walled garden, removing visibility of outside competitive options. But consumers aren't shopping for a software platform. They are navigating one of the most expensive and highly emotional financial decisions of their lives. They need a skilled negotiator and a local expert, not an algorithm that keeps them entirely within one company's profit centers. This drive for massive scale creates a rigid, highly systemized machine, and that rigidity is exactly where smaller, independent boutique brokerages are finding their greatest advantage. This organizational chart shows how a conglomerate processes thousands of transactions. Centralization creates heavy bureaucracy and multiple management layers. For agents, this means waiting on support tickets and regional approvals. When problems arise, the process grinds to a halt. Boutique brokerages operate differently. Agents have direct, immediate access to their managing brokers. Marketing campaigns launch without committee approval, and strategic pivots happen the moment the market shifts. In real estate, speed dictates outcomes. Solving an appraisal issue in minutes, launching a listing before the weekend, directly impacts who wins the deal. When a market moves fast, a slow corporate machine actively penalizes the buyer or seller. The operational agility of a boutique firm acts as a direct financial asset for clients. National brand recognition works very well on massive billboards, but real estate value is determined at the street level. Large platforms rely heavily on broad data points and automated lead distribution to evaluate these markets. They apply a generalized strategy designed to work passively well everywhere, from Seattle to Miami. Specialized firms replace algorithmic guesswork with a high-performance operating system built entirely around hyper-local intelligence. A single market contains complex school boundaries, micro-zoning, and environmental risks. Algorithms average these out, but local experts track them daily. They monitor metrics like local absorption rates. While national reports show a flat market, an expert sees a specific neighborhood heating up. Conglomerates own massive servers full of broad data, but specialized firms command the actual market. That granular intelligence elevates their agents from simple transaction coordinators into indispensable advisors. Boutique firms still use advanced technology, but they apply it differently. They utilize CRM software specifically to amplify human relationships, not to replace them with automated drip campaigns. A corporate agent might spend their day competing against coworkers for internet leads generated by their massive parent company. A boutique agent focuses on managing a deeply interconnected local network. They cultivate relationships with past clients, local investors, and community leaders. Instead of keeping all services in-house to capture fees, boutique firms partner with highly vetted, independent professionals. They build a tight network of local lenders, title companies, and specialized contractors. This approach delivers a curated, highly personalized client experience. Buyers get reliable inspectors, and sellers get reliable staging advice, backed by local accountability. Trust and referral business still drive the vast majority of successful real estate transactions. A sprawling, automated pipeline cannot code for local reputation. The constraints of the corporate pipeline are causing a noticeable shift in the industry's talent pool. Experienced, high-producing agents are migrating away from massive ecosystems. These agents want autonomy. They want complete ownership of their client database, flexibility in their marketing, and the ability to run their business without competing against internal corporate policies. The independent model gives them that space. The massive platforms aren't going away. They will continue to exist as highly effective digital search tools and top-of-funnel directories. But the actual work of closing a property, the localized strategy, the complex negotiation, the navigating of inspections and appraisals cannot be easily scaled. When it comes time to sign the paperwork on a major life decision, massive national branding doesn't secure the best terms. Agility, authenticity, and local authority do. Brokerages like Smith Family Realty Texas are proving that agents can have high-level systems, advanced technology, and community command all under one roof. They offer a model where agents are empowered as entrepreneurs, ensuring the client's success always remains the priority, not the corporate pipeline.